Hey guys, in today's video, we're checking out this budget-friendly foot pump from Cockatoo that I picked up from Amazon for just 500 rupees. Yup, that's right, only rupees 499. Now the big question is it worth it? Let's find out. So straight out of the box, we've got the pump itself and just a little registration card for warranty. Nothing fancy, no extras, but the main highlight is this compact, tough-looking foot pump. It's surprisingly small, which is great if you're low on storage space. You can pretty much toss it in a corner or your bike compartment. And now here's where it gets interesting. It runs purely on foot power. Just step on the pedal and you're inflating like a champ. I actually love this part because hey, you're getting a mini leg workout while pumping your tire. Pretty cool, right? It also comes with a built-in pressure gauge that actually works, and the dial is super easy to read. You even get different nozzles, so you're covered whether it's for a bicycle, motorbike, car, or even a football. The foot-operated design gives you a stable base while pumping, no annoying wobble like with those tiny hand pumps. And I gotta say, the build quality is honestly solid for the price. It doesn't feel cheap at all. So if you're thinking of grabbing a compact, no fuss air pump that gets the job done without burning your wallet, this little Cockatoo foot pump might just be worth it.